Hello everyone, keep a smile. I am Hansa Vyas. I hope you are doing well. First, listen attentively. Allow your passion to become your purpose, and it will one day become your profession. So don't let guys distract themselves in the present scenario. Don't panic confidence on yourself. One more thing, take care guys. Success is the progressive realization of worthwhile goals and dreams. Yes, I agree with all of you. Lockdown due to COVID-19 has affected our personal and social family life system, top to bottom. And I know that our routine is also erupted. Present scenario is not good for health, for emotions, and so many things. But it's universal truth. Nothing will happen by sitting hand on hand. Guys, it is also true that lockdown gave us plenty of time to do something and to spend quality time with our family. Remember how busy you were before lockdown. Your schedule was very tight. School, then coaching, then homework, and etc. But got too much time in lockdown. First time that you spent so much time with your parent and with your sibling. Yes or no? Yes. But it is also true that the critical condition of the lockdown of this long-lasting COVID-19 has even performed psychological effect on all of us. We know that students have a high level of anxiety. Depression is a common problem. Loneliness is also feeling these days. We are spending too much time on social media such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. There is a question whether we are nervous about all these problems and make our future worse. Should we spoil our today and our bright future? No guys, no, never. We will not spoil our today and our bright future because we have power to understand things. We can do much and we will and we must. So guys, keep remember, we will not spoil our time and future at all. We will mentally and physically strong. We will control our emotion. We know emotion affect our hormones and hormone secretion affect the entire biological system such as sleeping disorder, eating disorder, sadness, etc. So many bad effects appear to on our body due to hormone imbalance. We know that we are facing a lot of problems currently such as loss of concentration from studies, lack of motivation for sincere studies, lack of confidence of personal and career point of view, health problem due to distance from nature. So the question, what we have to do in this situation? What should we do? First, share your problem with your parents and your teacher and your counselor. And most important thing, you follow your parent and your counselor. And start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible. And suddenly you are doing the impossible. Again, listen attentively. Start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible. And suddenly you are doing the impossible. Guys, one last thing, only and only believe yourself. You will only get success. Keep remember, do not dwell in the past. Don't dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Okay, Thanks, guys. Enjoy this time and convert it to achievement.